Lagos residents have been urged to imbibe the culture of cleaning their environment regularly as it would help to reduce the spread of diseases in communities. The convener of the Pan-African Capital Foundation (PACF) made the call during environmental cleanup, sanitation and sensitization exercise in Mashewo community, Mushe, Lagos. Charles Okonkwo, while calling for increased commitment to ensuring cleaner communities and healthy living environments, said the community is excessively littered with so much waste and debris, and this poses a lot of health and environmental hazards to residents.
There is no specific time that one should clean up the environment. As a matter of fact, we should clean our environment all the time, because as the popular saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness, especially again as it relates to our own health. So by the time we make the environment clean, clear the waterways, water will flow more freely, mosquitoes will not easily breed, and with that we reduce the menace of malaria, which is prevalent in our society.
So we are in Masewo community here in Mushi, and we're here to carry out a cleanup exercise. We had a sensitization exercise earlier, educating people on the importance of hygienic practices, such as cleaning up our environment, and of course, generally, when you look at the world, there are conversations about our ecosystem and how to protect our ecosystem, how to protect the green, the green ecosystem, basically. And so, yes, this is our own way of contributing our quota, to this move, to this drive of ensuring that yes, our environment is actually healthy and is suitable and safe, for
The Bale of Mashewo, or Kekuponoko, while complaining about the delay in the collection of refuse, wants the Lagos State Waste Management Authority (LOMA) to monitor the activities of the private sector participation (PSP) in waste collection, as they no longer come to their area frequently to collect waste.
We are trying our possible best to write to the authority that the environment should be clean, and when the gatherings are created, the LOMA, we should encourage LOMA to try as much as possible to to come and carry all these things, because if they are packed down and the LOMA doesn't carry, it will definitely come back to the gutter. We've written a lot of letters to the council and the ministry that recently we want to change the LOMA that is engaged in our community, because the man normally give us problem, because he doesn't come in time, he comes occasionally. So we have written letter that the council should help us change it.
They stressed the need for the private sector to support government in its green project and activities in the areas of recycling and tree planting initiatives, as well as community sanitation and hygiene awareness programs.